Hello everybody and welcome to another video from Tezasot. Okay, so today I'll be making number 2 paper plane in the World Record paper plane book, and it's called the Javelin. So I'll get it started. So our first step is to fold it, fold down here. So you have to meet this with that and keep this edge perfect. And then we're going to repeat that onto the other side. Make sure when you're doing the paper plane you crease your folds. And now on to the second step. So we're going to open that up and we're going to do a fold here. So this is going to be the end product right here. So we're going to make sure we crease it easily. Make sure you crease it hard too if you want it to go far. The thing I like about this plane is both gliding and it both glides and is fast. So we're going to do that on the other side too. These folds are called valley folds. So we're going to make them right now. And then after that we're going to fold it again. Make sure when you're folding again you get it onto the lines like that. And now we're going to do the same to the other side. Ooh. Okay, so we've got that now. So now we're going to get this bit and we're going to fold it like this. So we're just going to fold it to that point there. Going to keep that folded and we're going to turn it over and we're going to make a fold like this. Make sure when you're doing that you rotate it to 45 degrees so it's this way. Silly folds. Get ready. Okay, so make sure when you're doing the fold in half you make it even. And now we're on to the wings. Now when you're doing the wings, make sure you have it perfectly in line with the bottom. Right there. So, right there. And then you're going to turn it over and do it the same to the other side. Now you're going to open your wings up and you're ready to fly. Okay, thanks for watching everyone for number 2, the Javelin. Those are the steps right there. If you want to see number 1, go search Tezasot and you will find it. And if you want to watch my other videos, you search Tezasot too and you'll find my best paper planes and my best gliders. And once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video.